Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Rimjim Fab's My Shopify Com review. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from the site or not, and if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys. It is an online shopping store that deals with kids wear, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true as they are offering cost effective deals. Now the citizens of India, or you can say the people from India, are looking or are curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, guys. So let's check out the entire information and legitimacy factors so that we can make a wise decision. So talking about the payment information, guys, let's check out the payment info first. So they have not provided the payment section, guys, which is a negative sign. So no payment is available on this website, which is a negative sign. And talking about the shipping policy or duration of this site, let's check out the shipping and delivery policy page. So on the top of the website you can see that they have mentioning free shipping all over India. And guys, this is the local deliveries information. Here they have mentioned that there are two delivery options available for customer, which is standard and express courier. And for local orders, it will take around 5 working days to reach you from the time of order. So this was the shipping information, guys. Apart from that, for international deliveries, the time taken is dependent on the logistic partners and their affiliates. So this was the info. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this particular site, it was created on 3rd of March 2006. Guys, it means that the site is an old website that can define its legitimacy. But checking the essential factors are important here, and let's check out the About Us page. So this is the About Us page, but no info is available regarding brand connection, business establishment year, business owner name. This is not a good sign here. Coming to the contact details, they have provided the email address at the bottom of the web page, which matches with the domain name, but this is a normal Gmail ID, guys. Coming to the contact us page, they have provided the entire details including mail ID, contact number and address, but the address seems to be suspicious, guys, and we can't trust on these details easily. Now talking about the social media presence, so at the bottom of the web page they have provided a various social media icons. So we would like to inform you that the Facebook social media icon is redirecting to the Shopify platform of the Facebook profile, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, various another social media icons including Instagram is redirecting to the website contact us page. So this is again a negative sign, and this makes the site quite suspicious, guys. Now let's check out the return policy of this website. So you need to click on return and exchange policy page. So guys, all exchanges and returns would need to be raised within 10 days of the invoice date for India orders, and for overseas orders the return duration is 20 days. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And when it comes to the Rimjin Fab's My Shopify Com review, no reviews are available about this site on the internet or on popular sites, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 25%, guys, which is really very bad, or this is a negative sign. And there are so many loopholes as well, including the site is not much popular online and has a low Alexa rank. So these are the negative loopholes of this particular site, which is a negative sign, guys, and makes the site quite suspicious. So yes, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it contains various drawbacks and it looks like suspicious site, guys. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.